Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg easily. We will start by gathering our essential tools and ingredients. You will need a good non-stick pan, a reliable spatula, and of course, some fresh eggs. Also, make sure you have a small amount of butter or your preferred cooking oil on hand. Choosing the right pan size, perhaps an 8-inch pan, is key for cooking 1 or 2 eggs perfectly. Now, let's master scrambled eggs. Begin by whisking 2 eggs with about 1 tablespoon of milk or water until they are well combined. Next, melt 1 teaspoon of butter in your non-stick pan over a gentle medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture, and, as it begins to set, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center. Continue this for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are just set, but still wonderfully moist. Next up, simple fried eggs. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter or cooking oil in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Once shimmering, carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan. For a beautifully runny yolk, cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply cover the pan with a lid for an additional 1 minute to allow the top to set without flipping. Finally, let's tackle boiled eggs. Place your eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat and cover the pot. For a delightful soft-boiled egg, let them sit for 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a perfectly hard-boiled egg, allow them to sit for 10 to 12 minutes before cooling them in an ice bath.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.